In this video, we will show you how to add a new camera model to our camera database. First, click on the camera database button. Then, click on the add button to add a new camera model that isn't in the camera database yet. Next, choose the manufacturer of the camera. For this example, I will choose Hanwha Vision. After that, enter the camera model name. Choose the camera type, sensor format, resolution, focal length, horizontal angle, and if necessary, the vertical angle. Once you have entered all the necessary information, your new camera model will be added to the camera database. If you want to add it to your favorite cameras, check out our other video on how to do this. And if you have a camera that you need but isn't in our camera database, don't hesitate to email us. We'd be happy to add it for you.